Students, today in maths we are going to start chapter 7, factors and multiples. We have already covered the concept of multiplication and division in our previous chapters. This chapter, factors and multiples, is closely related to the concept of both multiplication and division. Moreover, we will come to learn about some more terms like prime numbers, composite numbers, etc. in this chapters. It is full of interesting topics. So let's get started to learn these new and interesting things from the chapter. Students, today we will start chapter 7, factors and multiples. Children, what are factors? Here you can see a number 21. 21 equals to 7 multiplied by 3. Here, each of 7 and 3 is called a factor of 21, and 21 is called the multiple of 7 and 3. Now, let us take another number 36. Here, 36 equals to 1 multiplied by 36. 36 is also equal to 2 multiplied by 18. In the same manner, 3 multiplied by 12, 4 multiplied by 9, and 6 multiplied by 6 all are equal to 36. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36 are all factors of 36. And we can also say that 36 is a multiple of 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Now, with the help of this, we can define factors. What are factors? Factors are the numbers that we multiply and get another number. That is, if we multiply 2 and 18, then we get 36. So, 2 and 18 are the factors which when multiplied gives the multiple 36. Now, it is always better to arrange these factors in the ascending order, that is from the smallest to the biggest. Now, here what do? When we multiply the set of two numbers, its result is 36, isn't it? That is, when 1 is multiplied by 36, or 2 is multiplied by 18, 3 is multiplied by 12, 4 when multiplied by 9, or 6 when multiplied by 6, it all results in 36. Now children, let us do it in another way. 36 when divided by 1 is equal to 36. 36 when divided by 2 is equal to 18. When divided by 3, it is equal to 12. 36 when divided by 4 equals to 9. And 36 when divided by 6 is equal to 6. That is, each factor divides the given number with no remainder. That means a factor is an exact divisor of that number. Children, in these two concepts, you can relate the multiplication and division facts, isn't it? That is, if you take this 36 divided by 4 equals to 9, here the two sets of number which are the factors of 36, 4 and 9, they will give this multiplication fact as 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 36. बच्चों, हमने पिछले चैप्टर में जो डिवीजन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के फैक्ट सीखे थे, आप उनकी मदद से भी फैक्टर्स निकाल सकते हैं। यहाँ पर आप देखेंगे, जब मैंने 4 से 9 को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो आंसर आया 36। यहीं पर जब मैं 36 को 4 से डिवाइड करूंगी तो क्वोशिएंट आएगा 9. दैट मीन्स दिस मल्टीप्लिकेशन फैक्ट इज रिलेटेड टू दिस डिवीजन फैक्ट, एंड बोथ दीज नंबर्स 4 and 9 आर द फैक्टर्स ऑफ 36. Now, there are two methods of finding factors. First is by using multiplication, as shown here. 1 when multiplied by 18 equals to 18. So, both 1 and 18 are the factors of 18. Similarly, 2 when multiplied by 9 equals to 18. So, both 2 and 9 are the factors of 18. Also, 3 multiplied by 6 equals to 18. So, both 3 and 6 are the factors of 18. So all the factors of 18 can be listed in the ascending order. यहाँ पर हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन के मेथड से भी फैक्टर्स निकाल सकते हैं। कैसे? जब हम दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे उसका आंसर 18 आएगा, इसका मतलब वो दोनों नंबर 18 के फैक्टर्स हैं। हमेशा फैक्टर्स को असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में ही अरेंज करना चाहिए। हियर यू कैन सी 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 are the factors of 18 arranged in ascending order. The other method of finding factors is using division. Here what do? We take the number and we try to divide it with other numbers. 18 when divided by 1 equals to 18. So here the divisor and the quotient are the factors of 18. Understood? That is 18 divided by 2 equals to 9. So the divisor 2 and the quotient 9 are the factors. In the division method, children, the divisor and the quotient are the factors. Here also the factors are the same. Now let us look at some properties of the factor. 1 is a factor of every number and every number other than 0 is a factor of itself. That is why 1 is called the universal factor or the universal divisor. That is, it can divide any and every number except 0. Here 1 is known as the factor of every number. 1 हर नंबर का फैक्टर माना जाता है क्योंकि 1 से अगर हम किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो प्रोडक्ट वही नंबर आएगा. Hence 1 is always a factor of every number and every number is a factor of itself. Children, in all the examples which are shown here, you will see that two numbers are common. What? First is 1 and then the number itself. यहाँ पर आपने जितने भी एग्जाम्पल्स देखे उसमें आपने एक चीज क्या नोटिस की? The two numbers which come in the factors which are common are 1 and the number itself. Isn't it? Here also 1 and 36 are common because the number is 36. Here also 1 and 18 are common. 1 and 18. 18 is the number itself. So 1 is the factor of every number. The number 0 can be written as a product of 0 and any number. That is 0 equals to 0 multiplied by 2. You remember the multiplication property of 0 and 1, isn't it? These properties of factors are based on the same. That the product of a number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. And when we multiply a number by 0, the product is 0. The next property is every number is a factor of 0. Okay, see 21 equals to 1 multiplied by 21. Also 21 equals to 3 multiplied by 7. 1, 3, 7, 21 are all factors of 21. So based on these examples, we can say that every number is a factor of 0 because when we multiply any number by 0, we get the product as 0. Now, the next property is a factor of a number other than 0 is either less than or equal to the number. Here you can see the factors of 21 are listed as 1, 3, 7 and 21. Here the smallest factor is 1 and the largest or the greatest factor is 21. So it is either equal to the number or less than the number. Here also you will see 24. The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. The smallest one is 1, which is the factor of every number, and the greatest factor is 24, that is the number itself. So here this property stands true कि किसी भी नंबर का फैक्टर या तो उससे छोटा होगा या उसके बराबर होगा. So based on these above properties, we can answer these simple questions. Like, what is the smallest factor of a number? 1. किसी भी नंबर का सबसे छोटा फैक्टर होता है 1. What is the greatest factor of a number? The number itself. Okay? किसी भी नंबर का सबसे बड़ा फैक्टर वो नंबर खुद होता है. The next property is every number except 1 has at least 2 factors. 1 has only one factor, that is 1 itself. So every number has to have at least 2 factors. किसी भी नंबर के कम से कम 2 factors होते हैं. पहला 1, second the number itself.